In this lesson, we're going to learn how to ask, whose, in Japanese. Whose bag is this? Whose pen is that? Let's find out. You already know.
誰
Which means, who. To say, whose, just add
の
at the end.
誰の
That's it, whose. Let's try it.
これは誰のカバンですか
Whose bag is this? Dareno comes before the noun, dareno plus kaban. And the answer.
それは田中さんのカバンです。
That is Tanaka-san's bag. Just replace dareno with the person's name plus no. You can also put dareno at the end of the sentence.
あのカバンは誰のですか
Whose bag is that over there? And the short answer.
美濃先生のです。
It's Mino sensei's. Notice, you don't need to repeat the noun. Let's try one more.
この本は誰のですか
Whose book is this?
田中さんのです。
It's Tanaka-san's. Short and natural. Quick quiz. How do you ask, whose notebook is this? Pause and try.
これは誰のノートですか
Whose notebook is this? Great. Now let's practice more. Alright, let's practice. Ready? How do you ask, whose pen is this? Pause and try.
これは誰のペンですか
Whose pen is this? Nice. Next, how do you ask, whose book is that near the listener? Pause and try.
それは誰の本ですか
Whose book is that? Great. How do you say, whose watch is this, in Japanese? Pause and try.
この時計は誰のですか
Whose watch is this? You got it. Now the short answer. How do you say, it's Mino sensei's, in Japanese? Pause and try.
美濃先生のです。
It's Mino sensei's. Nice. One more. How do you say, whose hat is that, in Japanese? Pause and try.
その帽子は誰のですか
Whose hat is that? Great. Last challenge. How do you say, it's Tanaka-san's, as a short answer? Pause and try.
田中さんのです。
It's Tanaka-san's. Well done. Let's review.
誰
Means, who.
誰の
Means, whose. Just add no. And for short answers, just say the name plus no plus des. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Japanese lessons. I'm also preparing online Japanese lessons. Stay tuned. See you in the next lesson.